This is an automatic waste collection system. Metro Typhoon, designed by Matic, works like giant vacuum cleaners. Residents take their waste bags to the nearest waste collection point outside their buildings, open the waste inlet door with the RFID key, and drop the bags into the appropriate inlet, bio-waste or mixed waste. Metro Typhoon records the weight before the waste is whooshed away through underground pipes and/or above-ground pipelines that can extend up to 2.5 miles from the waste collection point. At the waste transfer terminal, the waste is collected into large containers, which are used to transport it to a treatment plant, where the waste will be turned into heat for homes, recycled, or otherwise disposed of. The waste collection cyclones can be placed far from the residential homes, but the waste collection points are close. It's convenient and safe for the residents, no truck traffic in the yard. Matic has delivered over 1,000 systems in more than 40 countries, including large and small systems, from residential blocks to entire areas of a city. Metro Typhoon has also been retrofitted in existing areas. Would you like to have such an automatic waste collection system in your area?